Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into photo manipulation and typography in Photoshop. So fire up Photoshop and let's get started. Select the Type tool, choose the font, and type your word. Right-click on the text layer and select Rasterize Type. Then press Ctrl and T. Right-click on text and select Warp. Now shape your text based on your photo. Select your photo and duplicate it by pressing Ctrl and J. Drag the duplicate layer above the text. Right-click on it and select Create Clipping Mask. Select the photo layer and create a layer mask. Then press Ctrl and I. Select the brush tool, set the foreground color to white, and color the parts of your photo that you want to show. And that's it! You've successfully created a stunning photo manipulation with integrated typography in Photoshop. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something new. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more creative tutorials. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.